Hello everyone, my name is Faith, but you may call me Unmei. It's finally that time, everyone. After months of grinding this game, we finally have enough stars for the pro server. I'm a little bit nervous everybody is gonna steamroll me, but let's just jump right into it. Okay, so we're starting out strong with Goth Pomni. I genuinely thought they were a guy at first, so I started drawing a guy, but I don't really know what they are, to be honest. Because I don't know if that's a skirt or not, but then again, guys can wear skirts if they want to. So I guess the takeaway from all this is dismantle the patriarchy. Okay, let's draw in that messy hair, and add the silly hat, then the ruffles around his neck, and then start coloring. Mostly it's just black and white, but there is some red in there. So let's be sure to add that in, and then we're pretty much done. I made just the pupil swirly instead of the entire eye, so it kind of keeps the cool factor, you know? Okay, it's time to see everyone's drawings. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, let's do the next. Oh, not really what I was expecting, but okay. Okay, a gray canvas. Cool. Oh, here we go. They made them an anime waifu. 3-star. Oh, talk about anime waifu. Hello. I'm starting to think this really was a girl. Oopsies. Well, there's no turning back now. Here's mine. They seem to like it. Why did I draw his chin like that? Seriously. I should never be allowed to hold a pencil again after that. Okay, that's cute. 3 of the stars. Yes, I know I'm hard to please. I don't want to hear it. Let's see the results. Oh, my gender bent won. It was technically a tie, but I will take it as a win. Okay, that went pretty well for me. Let's see what the next round has in store for us. Alright, we have cracked out Samurai Jack. No, this is probably some popular character from an anime that I have yet to see and I probably never will see. New anime just isn't the same, okay? It just doesn't hit right. Alright, so we're gonna give this guy the chattest of all chins. And then we'll draw in the hair and the hat, and give him a dynamic fighting pose. And we can't have a fighting pose without a weapon in hand. So let's give him a sword, and do a little cross-hatching on the hat there. I also had to give into the dark urges and add some blood in there for a little pop of red. Alright, let's see everybody's drawings. How nice, they got the expression perfectly. A solid 3-star. Aww, the chibi is so cute. And the cracked out face became a little sidekick for him. Oh, guys, we cooked with this one, not even gonna lie. Okay, this one's cute. I don't know why the quality's so fuzzy though. I think they used a spray paint tool for the whole drawing, which is kind of commendable. Bruh. Okay, we got a class clown in our midst. And the last one's pretty simple. Another obligatory 3-star. Let's see the winners. Ooh, it's me. I can't believe the memer got 3rd place. What are y'all doing with your votes? Okay, let's find a new lobby. Okay, let's run to the pro server. Oh no, it just started. Okay, well, we're gonna do one regular round then, I guess. Because in all honesty, I do like this character's design. I mean, she's so cute, look at her, how could you not love her? Let's put in her big lemon-shaped eyes, and scribble that hat in. Get that obnoxious pattern in there. Start on the hair, get the little stripes on her clothes, and failed to close my lines properly, of course, because I am still me. Okay, she's pretty much done. I think I did the hair a little too dull of a color of red, but whatever. Ah yes, we really are back in the regular servers, aren't we? You know, this is really making me appreciate that I am now allowed in the pro servers. Okay, here's mine. You know, for 5 minutes, I think she turned out pretty cute. Please let me back in the pro server. Oh, okay, that one's kinda cute. It's cleansed my eyes for but a moment. And now I'm suffering again. Just kidding, it's not actually that bad. Who could have possibly won? Holy smokes, I didn't see that coming. Okay, we gotta book it to the pro server. Book it. Run. Move faster. Okay, let's hop into the 10-minute one because I still haven't done that one yet. Oh my goodness, she's adorable. Well, I got here a little less than 10 minutes, but that's okay. We still have 8 whole minutes to make this as best as we can. Her little hat is literally an apple. I'm living for this. Alright, let's put in those cute little eyes, and let's start coloring. Put the little stripes on her shirt, and now for the best part, the blushies. It didn't really register in my brain that these red things were glasses. I thought they were little barrettes, but whatever. Alright, we got 30 seconds to spare, so let's just put a little swirly background. Man, I love this mode. I get to spend an unreasonable amount of time on unnecessary details. Alrighty, let's see everyone else's drawings. Okay, that is so cute. That's a flippin' 4-star if I've ever seen one. Whoa, okay, they started rendering? I don't think I'd even attempt something like that in Roblox. Oh, that's cute. You did a whole outdoor scene. Oh my god, y'all are crazy with it. Alright, here's mine. I think it's pretty good. Oh, the little emojis are giving me dopamine. Excuse me, this is the pro server. You can't sit with us. Okay, and well, we got 2nd place. That's pretty good. Honestly, this one deserved 1st place, so I'm happy. Alright, on to the next 10-minute round. Okay, we're gonna draw this stylish lady. We always have to start out with a circle, of course. And I'm gonna go for a more flirtatious hand behind the head pose because I feel like that just fits her character. She knows she's all that. Draw in those sultry eyes. And we'll start on the hair. She got those little roses in her hair, so let's just put that there. And then we start coloring. She has some kind of weird sleeve thing going on there. I don't know, I'm just gonna put some lace. And we got 3 minutes to spare, so let's just add some shading. And can't forget the lipstick in the shade Coral Pink by L'Oreal because she's worth it. And we have to spruce up those eyelashes, give her some mascara. And lastly, add in a quick, lazy background. Okay, she's all done. Let's see everyone else's drawings now. Okay, that's pretty. She's giving a little Sid the Sloth, but still. I'll give it a 4-star. Ooh, that one's really pretty too. I'll also give that 4-star. Wow, I'm being so generous. Who am I? Ooh, that's cute too. Another 4-star. Okay, it's mine. I think she turned out really cute. Now let's see who placed. Woohoo! Victory! Guys, we racking up stars like they huzz. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go back to the 5-minute server so we can top things off. Whoa, okay, we just went right into a game. And we only have 2.5 minutes to draw. Oh, great. Wonderful. Splendid. Well, we gotta make do with what we have and hurry the F up. Luckily, this character doesn't have a lot of colors or details, so it can go pretty fast. I mean, she doesn't even have a mouth, so we kinda lucked out. And apparently there's only like 3 people here, so I guess I'm up first. Well, they're giving me praise, so I guess I'm happy. Ooh, that's so ethereal. She looks like a ghost. I shall give it a 4-star. Ooh, wow! That's a 4-star too. I love the addition of all the colors. You know what? That's pretty good for having just joined. 3 stars. Alright, apparently that was it. Let's see everybody's ranking. Nar, I got 3rd. Well, that's okay. They deserved it. But see why you should never give out good scores? Okay, I'm bored of the 5 server now. Let's go back to the 10-minute one. That one was more fun. Alright, we're drawing a cool demonic lady with a hat. She kind of looks like a vampire that has to shield herself from the sun, so I'm gonna give her a little lounging pose like she's on the beach. Give her those blood red eyes. Let's draw in the wavy hair. And then drop in some colors. Now it's time for the most important part, the hat. And here's me attempting to make the eyes glowy. I think just a regular red did the trick. Okay, 33 seconds left. Let's put a little dark shadow over her eyes. Alright, let's see all the drawings. We are in the pro server, right? Well, it has color, so 2-star, I guess. Why are you AFKing during a round? What, you had to go take out the trash or something? Your mom needed you to do the laundry? You're lucky to get my 2-star. Okay, here's mine. They seem to like it. I think I did okay. Okay, that's not too bad. The hat's pretty cute, so I'll give it a 3-star. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. They even wrote something in kanji. Oh my gosh, you overachiever. And here we have an underachiever. Okay, I'm just kidding. It's not actually that bad. I can see that you're trying. Okay, let's see who won. Yippee! Wahoo! I got 1st place. Okay, we're gonna do one more round and then we're gonna pick an avatar to do a complete drawing of. Well, I guess we're drawing my avatar. I mean, hey, I like free fan art. That's basically what this game is. Alright, let's put in those pink eyes and start on the hair. And then we'll start coloring. I think I made the hair a little too big, but whatever. And after some shading and line thickening, we're pretty much done. Okay, let's see how everyone did. Oh, that's cute! I love the little hearts. And they even put details into the dress. Solid 3-star. Wow, the rendering is so good. Nice job, Spider Mama. Hello? I fear this is how people really see me. No, I'm just kidding. It's cute. 3-star. Ooh, here's mine! Guys, I'm so happy with it. Okay, that's cute too. The unruly hair is kind of spot on to my IRL self.
Huh?
Not again. Whatever, I'm feeling generous, so I'll give him a 3-star. Let's see who won.
Huh?
I got 2nd place to Yowie Hands over here? That's just demeaning on so many levels. Alright, let's pick an avatar that I like for a finished drawing. So actually earlier when I was running my way to the pro servers, I happened upon an avatar that I thought was intriguing. And before you clown on me for choosing it because he had Freddy Fazbear in his design, I'ma stop you right there, okay? Because I thought the hat was cute regardless of the character. Alright. Okay, so getting into the actual drawing process, I wanted to give him a youthful, charming appearance. Kind of like those 2000s Bishoujo manga boys. I don't actually know the name of this type of hat. I did actually learn it last night, but then I forgot immediately when I woke up this morning. So yeah, that's pretty much my brain in a nutshell. Alrighty, the sketch is almost done, and we're gonna move on to line art now. This is one of the parts of the process that takes forever, but I do find the results very rewarding in the end. Oh, also, I know that in the reference photo, there is this strange thing on the avatar's shoulder, but I have no idea what that is and I refuse to draw it, so this is what you get. So those of you who are returning viewers, you might notice that I made a little drawing animation to accompany the speed paint. Not to mention I made a whole new intro for my channel. That definitely did not take me hours to make or delay this video by any significant margin. Okay, we're almost to the end of the drawing now. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give a like, comment, and maybe even subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Alright, let's see the finished drawing of this avatar. Well, what do you guys think? Be sure to give me your opinion down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to turn on that notification bell if you always want to be notified when I make a new video. See you in the next one. Bye bye!